Elon Musk! Elon Musk! Pump my Dogecoin! Isn't that what we are all thinking, guys? Isn't that what we are all thinking? Where is Elon Musk start, tweeting about Dogecoin? He's gonna go 10x and then tweet, 20x then tweet. I don't know. But we all want Elon Musk to pump our bags. So, Pepe is up like 25%, Shiba 20, Bonk 36, Elon is up 25%, Baby Doge is up 16, and Dogecoin right now is only 8% up. Like, what is happening? Why can't we pump? That's what a lot of people are asking. Like, now it is a bigger market cap coin than Pepe or Shiba, so these low market cap meme coins, they pump harder. If you've been watching other meme coins, they pump extremely hard. But Dogecoin is a big market cap coin. That said, it is doing very nicely. It's right now from the bottom up here, something like 100% towards upside. It has more room to go towards upside, so we're gonna check that. But I thought it was very interesting to look at how this actually previously played out towards upside. And it didn't happen just one move. This is just one move. There are actually 3 moves on the chart that actually played out. The first move was over here when it actually did this first 12x, technically 10x give or take up here, maybe to close something like that, 10x towards upside. That's the very first move, and after that it pulled back towards downside something like 50% before it did another 10 plus x towards upside, right? So over here from another move towards upside is actually 15x towards upside up here towards top, right? So it did first move was 10x, pulled back 50%, and then did another 15x towards upside. So could this happen right now? I'm a little bit unsure about that because hard market cap, but it could do very nicely. Now it is kind of playing the same way. We had already this very first move up here towards upside. That was something like over here from the very bottom up here, 90% towards upside, maybe a little bit, 92% towards upside, so 100% towards upside. It did less than this move over here, but it's still going towards upside. So we can assume that right now, this first move, second move, third move up here towards upside. The first move, second move, pull back up here, and right now going towards upside. And this over here pull back up here wasn't actually 50%, was only 33% towards downside, but right now it's going towards upside. I'm a little bit unsure what it's gonna do 10x, but let's assume it does 10x over here towards upside. Over here that's 10x from the bottom up here at 76 or something like that, and then pulls back maybe another another 50% up here towards downside. Wait, 1 2 3, no, the third move up here is 15x or something like that, right? 15x towards upside, $1.2 or something like that. It's gonna go to $1, right? But it kind of is a little bit sketchy over here. Maybe, just maybe this very first move up here is not actually this move over here, but it's this move up here where we just are in the very start move of the rally. So what we're gonna see up here is this is the very first move outside of this accumulation zone. So over here, just move this a little bit over here. This move actually is just, so there is accumulation zone down here. This is just the very first move outside of the accumulation zone. So this very first move actually did only something like 5x up here before it actually pulled back. Now if we assume 50%, now if we assume that this, because this over here is accumulation box over here on the downside, and you can see right now that we are just getting out of that accumulation zone, so maybe it is just this very first move right now that we are doing, and this very first move maybe it's going to go something like 5x just like this over here. There is different way how this can actually play out. There is 5x up here. Let's say this is a 5x, then it pulls back 50% towards downside, 50% towards downside over here. That's something back down to the same kind of levels over here towards downside, and then it does another 10x towards upside. So it gets out of this accumulation zone down here, pulls back, does 10x, pulls back 50% towards downside. So over here right now it should after this pullback of 50%, if you just look at how it played out before, something like 10x up here, that's at $2 or something like that. That's the 10x, and then you have this last move, 50% again pullback towards downside, and then you have this last move at 10x towards upside again from $1 to $10 or something like that, give or take. Now is Dogecoin gonna go to $10? I'm a little bit unsure about that. It is high market cap, so going from 0.16 to $10, it's pretty heavy move. I don't believe it's gonna go that high, but it does go into the moves. It does go into these cycles. So it has this move outside the accumulation zone, pull back, first pump up here, consolidation up here, and then explosion towards the upside, right? First move up here outside of accumulation zone up here, and then first move outside accumulation zone, pullback, then big move up here, consolidation up here, and then the last move towards the upside. Now, how much these moves actually do, you know, it kind of depends. But it is going a little bit slower than Pepe and Shiba. But this is very normal because Pepe and Shiba are lower market cap coins than Dogecoin is. Now, Pepe and Shiba and Bonk and Floki and all of these other meme coins do not have CEO that's called Elon Musk. That's all I'm saying, you know, that's all I'm saying. So we got, you know, we got that going for us, right? And if you look at the chart up here, it does look actually very, very nice chart. It's just kind of climbing towards the upside. The trend is, you know, your friend, and the trend is not broken yet. It's still just climbing inside this channel over here towards the upside. So it doesn't look like it has any weakness because it is hitting these, you know, tops over here all the time. And as long as it's hitting the tops, it's actually quite bullish. The problem is when it starts doing this over here and, you know, fails to hit the tops up here at the top, this is actually a bad sign. But over here, they're actually there are not, you know, any kind of bad signs on the chart. So this actually looks very, very nice, and I think it's gonna go. And right now we are getting above these very major resistance levels up here towards top. You can see up here this is a monthly time frame, so this major level of resistance already got broken on the weekly time frame. Over here on the daily time frame, we already got broken. We even retested the resistance as support down here, which is actually very, very nice. So right now, two major level resistance are up here. I think we mentioned this last time. So that's at, you know, 0.2 and 0.28, and then you got the third one up here at the top at 0.33. So these level of resistance are gonna get broken eventually. But the first move right now, the very first move where I think we are going right now, at least to see how this actually gonna play out, is 20% move to 0.22 level up here. Once this is broken, it's gonna go high to, you know, 0.28. Over here towards the upside, a little bit up there, 0.28, and after that 0.33 up here. But you know what the goal is, guys. You know what the goal is. $1 at least. Isn't that what I say? Because last time we came, you know, Dogecoin came all the way up here to 0.73, and everybody was, you know, wanting this dollar. But right now in this run up here, there's a very good chance to hit that $1, Dogecoin $1. I think that's gonna be, you know, everybody wants to push it towards that level, at least to that level, because that's a, you know, round nice number. Guys, below in the comments there are links to the Telegram chat and, you know, our TI Fans Club community. We do altcoins video. If you wanna know what's the next pump, what's good, what's not, what's you know, my thoughts about stuff, check it out. It's a very nice community. It's a private community. There are no scammers or anything like that, so, you know, it's a nice place to be. But we also have a public Telegram channel that you are welcome to join, because we, you know, you can talk about meme coins, post meme charts, talk about anything else that you want to talk about. We are also there chatting and posting charts. You know, it's a nice place to be. Guys, in the bull market, there is one very, very important thing to do, and that's be in some kind of community, so you know what people are thinking, right? Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in another Dogecoin video, and, you know, bye bye, take care.